Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin's Way. Today I am going to make Diwali Lehyam, that is a medicine prepared during Diwali because we eat lot of stuff during Diwali and tend to upset our stomach. So this is very helpful to digest the things. In normal days also you can eat this after having your meal. If you feel a little heavy, that time you can have this. The ingredients required for this: 1 cup of ginger chopped I have taken after washing, peeling the skin. I have chopped and kept it here. Half cup coriander seeds, 3/4 cup jaggery, 1 tablespoon peppercorn, 2 tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 tablespoon ova. Elaichi we required around 15 numbers of elaichi we required, or you can put elaichi powder if you have. If you measure the ginger, it will be around 150 grams of ginger. One 16 it's showing around 120 grams of jaggery you can take. Coriander seeds is around 30 grams. Coriander seeds is around 30 grams. Cumin seeds 15 grams. Ova around 8 to 10 grams. Peppercorns 10 grams. Now we have to soak the peppercorns, coriander, cumin and the ajwain in water for 1 hour. Then we have to grind these two things together to a fine paste. You can make it, or coarse also you can make it according to your requirement. I make it very smooth paste. Ginger and the other ingredients I have already ground to a smooth paste. Now I have kept little water in the kadai, adding the jaggery in it and melt this jaggery. If any impurities are there, just strain it and remove it. I have also taken ghee, 4 tablespoon ghee and half teaspoon cardamom powder I have taken here. Now after melting the ghee, we have to add this ground mixer in it and cook it till it starts leaving the sides of the kadai. Jaggery is melted. We'll add the ground paste in it. Mix well. It will splash around, so cover it and keep it after some time. When boil comes, we can partially cover it and cook it. I'm adding another 1/4 cup of jaggery in it because it is too spicy to handle. So the ginger is very hot. And this should be a little spicy only, not very sweet, because it's good for digestion. Now cover it and keep cooking till it starts leaving the sides of the kadai. You will add here 2 tablespoons of ghee I will add now. 2 tablespoons of ghee later on I will add. Now see, it has started splashing around. So we will cover this. In between, keep stirring. From the cover you can make out that it is splashing around. So partially cover it like this. It has to get cooked some more time. The water content in it has to be completely evaporated, otherwise it will get spoiled. You can keep it in the fridge for an year. It won't get spoiled if you handle it properly. It has started leaving the sides of the kadai. Now I'll add another 2 tablespoons of ghee in it. The cardamom powder. At this stage, you can switch off the gas and allow to cool. Store it in an airtight container in the fridge. Whenever you feel like having a stomach upset or indigestion feeling, you can have this. A small ball of this can be taken, which will help you in digestion. So the Diwali Lehyam is ready here. Rather, I would say it's a medicine. Now it's time for us to switch off the gas. I'm switching off the gas now. When it cools down, the consistency will be like this. See, perfect it is. The Diwali Lehyam is ready.